Oh my gosh. Guys, you see this thing right here? This is the Bitaxe, the brand new 401 Supra 600 plus gigahash. But remember, we always say you're never going to find a block. It is impossible. It's going to take 1,000 lifetimes to hit something on this. Well, guess what? 24 minutes ago, someone just smashed out a Bitcoin block worth over 213,000 on one of these Bitaxes. Links down in the description. Don't believe me? Here's some proof. Let's take a look at this. So look at this worker name right here. Here is the address, BC1QK4CZ, all the way down, and then the last four, PZN3U.Bitaxe. And here's confirmation. He was doing about 516 gigahash at the time, not in the terahash. Here it looks like he did have 3 terahash or something, almost like nano 3 levels here. But the hash rate at the time here for the past 1 day is 516 gigahash. That's not very much. Moving forward, look at this. Someone from Solo CK Pool did hit a Bitcoin block 24 minutes ago. Here's the block number, 853,742. And coming into the block right here, we can see the exact same address here, BC1QK, and then the last few, PZN3U, 3.128 Bitcoin this guy hit. He smashed out a Bitcoin block with only 500 plus gigahash, which is pretty damn insane. Looking at the block with the fees, he did earn 3.192 BTC Bitcoin here for an estimated value at the current price of $211,918. Oh my gosh, this is things what dreams are made of. This is why we mine crypto, for that massive solo mining crypto lottery. You never know what could happen. You never know unless you take the chance. This is absolutely insane. Now, I am going to say it. Buying this is at 99.9% risk. Most likely, you will not hit this block. But again, you miss 100% of the shots you never take. So, are you guys going to FOMO into this? Are you guys going to try to get this? This is the latest Bitaxe 401 Supra. It's based on Antminer's latest S21 chip. So it is seeing better efficiencies and hash rate here. But let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. Links will be down here directly to this as well. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.